It's a Thailand romance. It's a casual romance, and it happens every day. It's a promise to call. It's a promise you can't keep. It's a promise not to stay. It's a meaningful glance in an unfamiliar place. It's a lover who you lived with till you couldn't stand his face. It's a disappointing dinner. It's a love affair we chase. It's a Thailand romance. It's a Phuket romance or a Bangkok romance, and it's played out after dark. It's a kiss on Beach Road or smiling Chiang Mai, or tears in Lumpini Park. It's a fight when you're on Soy Bukkao, you let her run away. It's him turning up so drunk and stoned, you pray that he won't stay. It's a never-ending argument. It's an Alcazar matinee. It's Thailand romance. It's a move-in romance, then a stifling romance. The romance of the street. It's a he-said romance, or an I-meant romance. Depends on who you meet. It's a goodbye door that closes and you only feel the pain. It's noodles at the beach, yes, while waiting for her train. It's an MRT connection. It's a taxi in the rain. It's a Thailand romance. It's all the times you thought that you were going, but you didn't go. You stayed. It's all the times you thought that you were making love when you were getting laid. It's a Thailand romance. It's a crazy romance. It's a terrible surprise. It's a last-ditch romance. It's a desperate romance, telling hope for a little lie. It's the girl you thought might be just right till you find out she's a bore. Or the guy who said he'd stay all night, he's halfway out the door. It is mangoes and papayas that are rotten at the core, taking so much shit from lovers that they're not friends anymore. It's a wanting to be far away on some other distant shore. It's a quiet desperation. It's not caring anymore. It's a Thailand romance. Thank you, my loves. Oh, thank you, my loves. And you know, as Rusty Magee used to say, the next time I'll sing you my bitter song.